Hi, this is Infant Mary. This is my one of the internship part of my internship. My manager Hemant Vadivel sir have assigned me this task to present the Wavecon telecom analysis. Let's dive into the presentation. This is the table of contents. First, we have to see about company description and then KPIs explanation and the comparison of before and after 5G, top or bottom cities, analyzing the plans, monthly revenue. This is the company description, where Wavecon is a top telecom company who launched the 5G services recently for their customers. Due to the new technology launch, the company faced the many severe problems, and also they have the pros. They also have some cons. These are the KPIs explanation. First is revenue. Uh, Overall, the revenue is 31.9 billion rupees for the company. And then ARPU is the average revenue per user, which is 200.7 rupees. And TAU is total active user, which is 161.7 million members. And TUSU is the total unsubscribed user, which is 12.6 million members, which is uh, high. This is the comparison between before and after 5G. Um, this is the monthly average, whereas monthly average is 4 billion, and before 5G, the revenue is 16 billion, whereas after the 5G installation, the revenue have decreased from 16 billion to 15.9 billion, which is 0.5% is decreased, which is zero point 0.1 billion is decreased. The change percent is minus 0.50, which is the greatest loss to the company. These are the top and bottom cities comparisons based on revenue and unsubscribed users. Based on revenue, the bottom cities are Patna, Coimbatore, Chandigarh, Gurgaon, and Raipur. We mainly concentrate on this cities after 5G launch. And then the unsubscribed users are Coimbatore, Patna, Chandigarh, Gurgaon, and Raipur. We mainly concentrate on these cities to develop the company revenue. There are totally 13 plans in the company. There are P1, P2, P3, P4 like that till P13, wherein P1 to P7 plans are activated for both 4G and 5G, wherein P8, P9 and P10 are the plans for only for 4G. And after the launch of 5G, the P8, P9, P10 plans were dropped, and the new plans like P11, P12, P13 were introduced for 5G users. In these plans, P1 and P1, P2, P3 will have the same revenue for both 4G and 5G, whereas plans P4, P5, P6 and P7 have the drastical decrease after the 5G implementation. After 5G, the plans P11 and P12 provide the revenue of 1.9 and 1.2 billion, which is the positive note to the company. These are the monthly revenue of the company. We have January, February, March, April has the 4G, where May is the month for the 5G implementation and launching. The company taken that month for launching and implementation. From June to September, we have the 5G implementation. Both 4G and 5G have activated that month. In this P1, we can see that P1, P2, P3 have the good revenue, where P4, P5, P6 have P6 and P7 have the decreased revenue after the 5G launch, and also in 4G they have the decreased revenue in this plans, whereas P8, P9, P10 doesn't give the more revenue, and P11 and P12 in 5G have the greatest revenue. We can continue this plans P11, P2. Therefore, the best plans are P1, P2, P3, P4 and P11 and P12. This is my suggestion to the company. Thank you.